Hello traders out there, you're warmly welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking out all the challenges that many of the traders out there are going through, and I'm going to be providing a one-time solution to it. And before I mention the solution, I want to first of all highlight some of the problems that traders, especially beginners out there who do not have complete experience of what the market is and who may already have lost a ton of dollars to the market, may be going through. Okay, now before I hit challenge number 1, challenge number 2, and challenge number 3, I want to first of all mention that if you are a new person to this channel, if you are just viewing this channel, a video in this channel for the very first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as I'll be sharing wonderful insight packed content on this channel every week. And also ensure that you turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. So with that said, let's go straight to about basically the challenges that a beginner in the forex market normally faced. Challenge number 1 is that after traders lose a whole lot of money to the market, they also lose their self-confidence. They begin to doubt their self, as if they start feeling incompetent, and so they may be in a trade, and once the trade goes against them for a few pips, what happens is that they would quickly close the trade. That is one. And then 2, they will see a very good setup, but because of the losses they have just had, or the losses that have been taken, they are now afraid. Okay, they'll let go of that trade setup because they don't know how it will turn up. Okay, and believe you me, once your trading gets to that level, you will mess up a whole lot, because once you allow fear to come in, once you lose your self-confidence, it's gonna really mess up your trading. Well, I do not blame most traders who are going through this problem, because sometimes they don't have a clear-cut strategy and approach to the market that is emotionless. Okay, all right, so that just makes them greedy. They just gamble away their money in the market, and in the long run it doesn't go out well for them. Okay, but today I'm not going to be teaching you how to overcome all of this. Okay, now if you want to learn how to overcome all of that, I've actually made out a free forex trading course. So there is a link in the description of this video. You can find that link and benefit from that free course. Okay, it is completely free. However, for other traders out there, today I'm going to be introducing a software to you. This software would kill that fear, whatever fear you may be having in the market. It will kill it. It will take out that fear completely from you. Okay, it will take out that fear completely. The software will also tell you when to buy and when to sell. It will tell you where to put your stop loss, and then I'm also going to give you a guide on how to take your profit. Okay, but before I move or say anything further, let me quickly take you to my MetaTrader 4 and tell you more about this very powerful software that is certain to take or turn your trading career in a very new dimension. Now currently, if you're seeing on my chart, you'll be seeing a different kind of chart. Okay, because I have the software on. Okay, the software is what is on now. The candles you can see that is blue, is actually the bearish candles, whereas the black is the bullish candle. Now this is not an indicator, okay? This is software, a combination of different items, okay, makes up this software. That is why it is very sure, okay? It is very certain that if you follow me closely, because I will not only be giving you this software, but giving you the rules of engagement, the modus operandi of this software, and if you follow them closely, you're going to be making back all the money you must have lost to the forex market. And not only that, you'll be living the life of your dream, because you've gotten what will really help you to achieve that. So now let me show you how the potential, how profitable this software can be if you're trading with it. Now notice what happened in gold when our software provided a valid signal according to our rule. Notice what happened. Gold fell when the signal came. Gold fell from this point to this point, and that was about 401 pip. 401 pips, okay, from gold. So this software works whether you're trading currency, whether you're trading indices, whether you're trading commodity, whether you're trading gold. You can use this software so long as you're trading with a broker that's on MetaTrader 4, because this software is only working on MetaTrader 4, okay? So now let's also see further examples to further confirm. We are more like back texting, and let me use the Euro Nzd. I use this software on the 1 hour, the 30 minutes, and the 15 minutes. Okay, currently I am on Euro Nzd and I'm looking at the 30 minutes chart. Yesterday the software gave us a very valid signal, a solid one at that, and we were able to grab about 91 pip with only a stop loss of 20 pips. We're able to grab 91 pips, more than 1:3 risk to reward ratio. On that same day, we also saw a valid setup, a buy setup, and we're also able to grab 72 pips from this software. How about today, being the 10th of November? Okay, we were also able to grab 88 pips from Euro Nzd with only a stop loss of 39.40 pips. We're able to grab 88 pips. That is 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So you can see how powerful this software can be. Okay, let's continue the back testing. And now I'm looking at the Euro AUD. The same thing happened yesterday and today. Yesterday we were able to grab a total of 146 pips from Euro AUD with only a stop loss of about 40 pips. We're able to grab 146 pips, more than 1:3 risk to reward ratio. That's even probably about 1:5 risk to reward ratio. And now look at what happened today. Our software also gave us a valid setup, and as you can see, we're able to grab 130 pips again from Euro AUD, and with only about a stop loss of 55 pips, we grabbed 130 pips. This is just on the 1 hour time frame. So you see that the software works amazingly well. Like, I don't need to speak much to convince you. Okay, all you need to do is to make sure that you have this software. You can't let it flip by. Let's say maybe 2020 wasn't a good trading year for you, but if you use this software, 2021 is gonna really be your dream year, okay, on trading forex. Now let's go over to the Gbp Nzd. That is also one of the nice pairs I love trading. Please mind you, I'm not saying this software is peculiar to these pairs I'm highlighting, but this is just the pairs because of their peep movement. I know one trade in these pairs gives me a cool cash, right? So let's get to today. What happened in the Euro NZD? I'm still on the 1 hour time frame. Now notice what happened. This software provided a valid signal. The stop loss was 53 pips and the take profit was 282 pips. 282 pips in a day. 1 hour time frame, low risk, high probability. See, this is one of the software I don't joke with. Okay, now let's do the final back testing. Exactly the same thing happened in pounds AUD on the 1 hour time frame today, and our amazing software gave us a very sweet and valid setup. You can see what happened there, and we were able to get 347 pips with a stop loss of 130 pips, because pounds AUD is quite actually wide. That is why you have to make sure you know what is risk management. If you don't know risk management, you can take my free forex course, the link in the description below, and so that you can make good use of this software. And so that is it for this software, guys. You don't need a soothsayer or an orator to convince you that this is something you must get. Okay, and you are not only going to get it, I'm going to show you when to trade with it. Okay, the rules that are working with it, you follow the rules completely. But please mind you, I'm not going to be giving out this software completely free. I'm only going to be giving it out to those who really need it and who need it badly enough. Now the things well, if you're already a subscriber to my YouTube channel, you will know that actually I've been giving a lot out for free. Even my forex VIP training course, I'm giving it out completely for free to those who are serious and who wants it. But this software, I'm going to be also giving it out at a token. And of course, to get this software is very easy. What you simply do is you follow the link in the description below, and you're going to talk with me on WhatsApp, on Telegram. So I'm going to tell you what it is going to actually cost you, or what you would have to sacrifice to get this amazing software. And I'm also going to add additional 2 videos with it. That the first video will tell you how to download the software, how to install it, integrate it to your MetaTrader 4. And the second video is going to tell you the rules of engagement, how to use the software to trade them profitably. And then once you are done that and you successfully install it, you can start using it. You first of all test it for about 1 week, 1 full week of trading on your demo. After you're done, you just want to go live and use it to make a very big buck. Okay, even if you have a $100 account, if you catch just this one good trade like this of 344 pips, and you use a lot size of 0.01, which is 10 cents per pip, that is about 30 something dollars, 40 cents. So your account, you must have gotten almost 50% of your equity. So they want to imagine that, and 2 trades a week must have given you something very, very, very amazing. So when you know and master this software, you don't trade with fear. You don't see a setup and run away, or you don't see a setup and begin to wonder where do you put your take profit, where do you put your stop loss. No, all that won't be necessary. And when it comes to stop losses, most traders, they put stop losses, and their stop loss is too tight. As the market moves a little bit, it hits their stop loss and take them out of the market, and which is of course not good. Before the trade even plays out their way, they're already out of the picture because their stop loss was too tight. No, this indicator gives you where to put your stop loss that is very reasonable, and you make a very cool buck from it. And that, not only that, I want to also show you something. This indicator also comes with the basic pivot points of the day automatically on your chart. It also comes with the basic support and resistance level that are very powerful for the time frame that you're using. Maybe the 1 hour time frame, that very strong support and resistance level on that instrument. You can see them here. This is mid support 1, this is the pivot point of the day. Okay, this is mid resistance 1, this is resistance 1, this is mid resistance 2, this is resistance 3 and 2. So this is it, you know that what happens when a candle approaches resistance and support. Like you can see what happened here. Price has approached mid support 1. You see that price is retracing a little bit up. Okay, so it can because it's actually in a downtrend, it can move up to these pivot points, hit here, and start falling back again. Okay, by tomorrow morning during the London session. So you see that this software is working with Confluence. Okay, so it's really powerful. Okay, I just can't talk much about it. It's just, that's why I'm not giving it out for free. I'm giving it to those who knows it works, who can see clearly the potential, okay, that the potential benefits they're going to derive from using a very powerful tool that they can add to their trading arsenal and transform their trading the whole scope of their trading to a very big level. So that is all for this video, guys. Once again, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss the wonderful next content I'm going to be sharing this week. And secondly, the link below if you want to get this software today as soon as possible.